Because of Brexit, Germany opens up further sales opportunities in Ireland. This is also due to the significant decline in Irish imports from one country. Guess which one? Ireland is not one of Germany's major trading partners, but offers good growth opportunities for German exporters over the next few years. This is due to the country's above-average economic growth and the consequences of Brexit. German companies have already discovered the Emerald Isle as an investment location. Direct investment stocks have grown by an average of around 21% per year since 2016, more than in any other of the 15 largest German investment destinations in the world. Above all, the internationally competitive corporate taxation attracts investors to the country. However, it has been caught in the crosshairs as part of the OECD initiative to introduce a global minimum tax. German exports have entered the Irish market more slowly than other competitors over the past 20 years. For example, Irish imports from Switzerland and China in 2021 were 13 and 9 times higher than in 2000 respectively, while import volume from Germany increased by a factor of only 2.4. The comparatively weak deployment of imports from the United Kingdom offers numerous gaps that German companies can close now. The new customs bureaucracy in trade between the two islands has recently significantly weakened the neighboring kingdom as a procurement market. Compared to 2000, the British have lost significant shares of Irish imports in almost all major categories of goods. Because the process is not yet complete, the potential for German suppliers will remain high in the years to come. German exporters benefited across the board from Irish economic growth, with just a very few exceptions. Since 2000, Irish goods imports from Germany have risen by an annual average of 4.3%. Since then, Germany has also been able to expand its market shares in many categories of goods. 20 years ago, a quarter of all car imports came from Germany. By 2021, it was almost a third. Chemical products, that means those without pharmaceutical products, are among the sectors that have so far been able to benefit less from economic growth. For the most part, these are supplies to Ireland's fast-growing life sciences sector, which is driven by foreign investors. Aircraft were Germany's most important delivery product again in 2021. However, the imports often remain purely virtual because Ireland has attracted international aircraft leasing companies with its favorable tax conditions. Although their machines are listed in the books in Ireland, they actually fly all over the world. In general, as a medium-sized European economy, Ireland is not a key supplier for the German economy. But there is one exception: Ireland's pharmaceutical industry, which is also outstanding by European standards. That is why pharmaceuticals and organic chemicals together make up almost 2/3 of all German goods imported from the Emerald Isle. The Irish market share in Germany's pharmaceutical imports rose to 9.9% in 2020. Among the organic chemicals, it's almost exclusively organic, inorganic, or heterocyclic compounds that have a market share of up to 90% or more, depending on the subcategory. The Irish semiconductor industry is also of growing importance, above all the production of Intel. The US manufacturer has been investing billions of euros in Irish production for years. In addition, the company announced in autumn 2021 that it would concentrate its production on the island on semiconductors for the automotive industry in view of the global supply bottlenecks. This should significantly strengthen Ireland's position as a supplier to Germany. According to the Irish Statistics Office, Ireland imported goods worth 102.6 billion euros in 2021, around 7% of which came from Germany. According to the status, the country was ranked 32nd among the most important German sales markets. Ireland exported goods worth 165.2 billion in 2021. Around 11% of this went to Germany. That's 16th place among the most important German procurement markets. According to the Irish Statistics Office, around 270 German companies were based in Ireland in 2019 and employed around 26,700 people. And that connection will grow stronger now thanks to Brexit. So when people ask for Brexit benefits, there's one for Germany. And I'll see you in my next video. Bis gleich.